In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make up to $10,000 per month on YouTube without showing your face. This might sound too good to be true, but I'm going to show you some examples of people who are implementing this strategy and make thousands of dollars every month. Then I will explain to you all the steps you need to follow to start making videos on YouTube and get paid. Without any further ado, let's get into it. This is the channel I am going to show you. It's called Lounge V Relax, Relaxing Music and Nature Sounds. As the name suggests, this channel features various nature relaxing videos. If you scroll down, you will notice that most of these videos include images of beaches and relaxing natural landscapes. People love to listen to these videos to fall asleep and relax. You might be wondering why we are making these videos and why this is the best way to make money on YouTube without showing our face. There are two reasons. First of all, they are insanely simple to make. And then, it's easy to get views as people like watching these kinds of videos. You don't have to convince the viewer to do anything. It is a complete set it and forget it strategy. You just need to make a high-quality video, which I'm going to show you in a bit, and people will be addicted to your channel and watch your videos every day. You know that when it comes to YouTube, the more views you get, the higher will be your earnings. And this is why it's the best strategy to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Take a look at these examples. This video has gotten more than 1.9 million views, and this one got 4 million views so far, and it has only been posted 1 year ago. Most of the other videos have exceeded the 10,000 views mark, and the number keeps increasing every day. What these videos have in common is that they are all made in the same style. The video you see here, for example, is a 1 to 5 minute long clip that is looping over and over. With this concept, we can make a video of 1, 2, or even 4 hours duration. We just need to play the original video in a loop, and play an audio file in the background. Making these videos is easy and simple. I will explain to you the entire process in a bit. If we go to socialblade.com, which is a platform that tracks social media statistics and analytics such as YouTube, Instagram, etc., the tool can give you an estimation of how much a channel is making in ads revenues. You just need to enter the name of the channel you are targeting here, and the tool will show you a complete overview of the performance. Let's give it a try. You can see that Lounge V Films have uploaded a total of 75 videos, and the channel has more than 500,000 subscribers, which is insane. You will see here that the previously shown channel is making up to $115,000 a year. And this is pretty amazing. And the best part about it is the fact that these earnings are completely passive. And that's why this is one of the best ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face. If you come back to the channel, you will see that the owner stopped uploading new videos 9 months ago. And it doesn't stop him from making 6 figures a year. YouTube gives a priority to content creators who upload new content regularly. So if you give it a try and you upload new videos consistently, your channel might replace this one in the future or perform better. Who knows? Now I am going to show you how these videos are made. Let's begin with the audio. I want you to go to freesound.org, which is a free digital library to download audio files. And yes, we can find ocean sounds on this platform. You just need to create an account first by completing the sign-up process after clicking on Register here. Once connected, come over here and search for Ocean Waves. You can see that there are more than 1,500 different audio clips that you can download for absolutely free. Just double-click the one you like and then hit download. This is a community sharing library, so some authors might ask you to give them credits. You can put that in the video description after you upload the video on YouTube. Now let me show you where you can get video clips for your video. There are plenty of websites where you can download royalty-free videos, and by far the best site for this is pexels.com. Just type in a related keyword such as ocean in the search bar here. You will then have access to thousands upon thousands of both videos and images for you to choose from. Just double-click the one you like and hit on Free Download. Now we have the audio and video files. We need an editor to combine them and make a long video that you can share on your YouTube channel. And for that purpose, I would highly recommend openshot.org, which is a free video editing software that you can download to help you make videos. This software is easy to learn and has many interesting features that will make your job quite easy. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a video using this software. As you can see here, I imported both the video and audio file we downloaded previously. This is the video, and you can see the ocean wave sound just below it. Well, to create a loop, you just drag the video this way until it's 1 hour, and do the same thing with the audio file. This is how simple it is. No need to invest money buying a paid editing software. OpenShot software does everything you need. Now you need to render the video and upload it on YouTube. Make sure to upload regularly so the YouTube algorithm will pick up your videos and suggest them to people on YouTube. It's important to upload as many videos as you can, especially at the beginning. The competition is fierce in this niche, to be honest with you, but if you make fancy and high-quality videos, I am sure you will start building an audience which you can monetize, using YouTube ads or even affiliate marketing. And that's why this is one of the best ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions about this strategy. And that's all for today. Make sure to check out the other strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.